Namaste. Myself Ashit Pandari.
Myself Jyotiraditya.
Today we students of Jawaharlal Navoday Vidyalaya Bengaluru Urban Bangalore are here to present our idea for Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Now my friend Jyotiraditya will explain the problem statement.
So, as we know, in India, in the local trains and local coaches, most of the people enter to the train without a proper ticket, which makes huge rush and also it makes robbery. So, our system uses a card which acts as a security, as a ticket and scans and lets the person in.
Now this is not just an idea. As you can see in many Indian railways, many disabled peoples or some old age persons cannot get inside the train because of their high stairs. Keeping this in our mind, we are making the door as the ramp. Once they scan their ticket, the door automatically opens as a ramp. Now we will show the working principle of our model. First, we will see the coding part. As you can see, we have coded in Arduino IDE which is connected to the Arduino Uno. Now let's see what is our code. We have entered the code about our model which is up near about 160 lines. First, we will see the security system of our idea. In our security system, someone with some other card scans it. Then, as you can see, the red LED will blink and it will give a buzzer sound which says this ticket is not valid. Now, a same person with a proper or the correct RFID card enters and he scans it. As soon as he scans, the ramp opens and it waits until the person enters in because as you can see above, the IR is detecting this person. Oh, Jyoti. Now, as you can see, once the person enters in, it becomes again red and the door closes for safety. Now, we will see the components used in this. For the human detection, we have used the IR sensor. For the security purpose, we have used the RFID, RC522 and key cards. Next, this all things will work on a Arduino Uno, which is inside this, which is sourced by a laptop. Next, as you can see, we have two LEDs on the top. We have a buzzer, we have used a breadboard, and we have and at last we have a servo motor which opens and closes the doors. Thank At the end, I would like to conclude that our idea will be useful for many people. And I would like to thank our school and Team PPS for supporting us throughout the idea.
From south, Nandri,